Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the best generator portable inverter for quiet camping and off-grid use, the Junbpaw 3080W Pure Sine Wave Power Inverter. This isn't just another inverter. With its game-changing design and ultra-quiet operation, it sets a new benchmark for what mobile power should feel like. Whether you're planning a weekend in the woods or prepping your RV for the long haul, this inverter is built to deliver reliable, clean energy, silently and efficiently. Let's talk about design. The Junbpaw 3080W doesn't just work well, it looks smart. It's compact yet powerful, and the layout is extremely user-friendly. The unit features a sleek black chassis, built with durable materials that can stand up to life on the road, in the wild, or around the house. It's engineered for stability and longevity, with sturdy connections and an intuitive interface that makes it easy to monitor and control. Whether you're in an RV, van, or remote cabin, the design just fits, both physically and functionally. Now, performance is where this inverter shines. You're getting a continuous 3080W of pure sine wave power, the cleanest, safest power for sensitive electronics. It peaks at a massive 6000 W surge capacity, so it handles startup loads from demanding appliances with ease. Unlike modified sine wave inverters that can damage electronics or create interference, this one mimics grid power. That means no buzzing, no overheating, and a longer lifespan for your devices. And here's the kicker. It's ultra quiet, just 30 decibels in operation. That's whisper quiet. You can sleep, work, or enjoy nature without the background hum most inverters give off. This alone makes it a top-tier choice for campers and RV enthusiasts. Junbpaw didn't cut corners on safety either. The inverter is packed with multiple layers of protection: over voltage, under voltage, overload, over temperature, and short circuit protection. It's got built-in cooling fans that activate only when needed, preserving energy and maintaining silence. It also converts 12 volts DC to 120 volts AC seamlessly, which is perfect for anyone running a system off solar, a battery bank, or a vehicle's alternator. The LCD display keeps you updated in real time on power levels, input voltage, and load conditions, so you're always in control. If you're someone who loves camping but hates the noise of traditional generators, this is for you. If you're building a van life setup, powering a remote cabin, or just need a quiet inverter for backup power at home, this checks all the boxes. It's also ideal for tailgating, job sites, or anyone who needs stable AC power in off-grid environments. Its quiet profile and pure sine output make it safe for everything from TVs and game consoles to medical equipment and power tools. To wrap it up, the Junbpaw 3080W Pure Sine Wave Power Inverter is one of the best options out there for portable, quiet, and powerful off-grid energy. It's reliable, whisper quiet, and built to power your lifestyle without compromise. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we dive deep into the tools that power your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've tried this inverter or have questions. See you in the next one.